In this video, I'm going to explain how to transfer the data from master list to a favorite list whenever we check the checkbox. Of course, this is an easy logic, but I'm going to explain something important for you. First, if I just check these options I want to transfer, I can write simple formula, filter function, and I will just specify this whole column range, and I will select from A2. So I will just select this one and then I change the reference to A2 whenever they are true. So of course, this is an easy formula. You can transfer these details using a filter function. Now, a problem arises when we want to transfer the master list. For example, there we have a lot of data and we transfer some of them. For example, I transfer these and I want to write my own detail. For example, I want to write A, and for this I want to B, C, D. Now, later I think, oh, I need to add this option as well. Now look at here. If we add this option, they will add something in middle and we have write the detail for these lists. For example, if I select, this is my journey on how. Now if I just select, you see, this is my journey and we have write this detail for this one. I'm here to wait. Now you see, we face a problem. We need to remove this one and rewrite again. So this is one of the main constraint we need to handle the issue. First, we need to filter the data, including all of the timestamps as well. So we will filter this data set, and of course I cannot select A2, but we can simply select like this one, and then I change the A3 to A2 and equal to. And if I just close the bracket, this will give me the two column including the timestamp. Now we need to sort by timestamp. So we will apply the sort function and sort by column 2 and ascending order. So the first they select, they will be on a top. The second they select, they will be on a bottom. And I will close the bracket, hit enter. Now the problem has been solved. Now we need to remove this column from array. So how we can do it? We can just use choose column. And we choose column, this is our array and we just only want the first column and we will enter. Now if we write our detail A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So if I insert even the second row, they will be on a bottom. For example, if I select this one, this on a bottom, and this solve our problem because we can easily write our detail, and even if we select this one, this will be on a bottom list. So I hope you like this logic and I hope you like this video as well. Please subscribe the channel for more important video. Thank you so much.